I'm Teacher 𝗕𝗲cie teacher in Beauty Point College, and also I'm a HOD in Beauty Department. My role in this school, I normally teach level 1s, that is in Beauty Department, and also I teach TOT, that is teachers who are training to become professional teachers in future. Benefits of Beauty Point College. Number 1, we have job opportunities because we normally have our own salons in the building. So when our students finish up with the level work, that is academics, we normally refer them to the attachment in our salons. Then of course we have qualified and professional teachers who are undertaking TOT lessons here in Beauty Point College. Also we normally provide skills. Our students, they always get out from this place professionally. They can work internationally, they can work everywhere in the country. Then of course we have learners from different countries, that is we have learners internationally. E.g. we have learners from Qatar, we have learners from Saudi Arabia, we have learners from different countries, whereby we normally have online classes, not only in physical classes. Then of course Beauty Point College is a nice college since we offer different body exams, that is NITA. We normally have arts and courses, we have NITA grade 3, 2 and 1, and also we have city and guilds. So our students, they are totally qualified because they finish up with the classwork academically. Then from there they sit for their external exams, and of course they sit for their international exams. Thank you so much.